Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. Let me tell you a powerful and interesting story. One day, Emperor Aurangzeb Alamgir was sitting in his royal palace in Delhi at a high tower. From there, he saw a poor student walking by. The student looked very simple. His clothes were torn, his shoes were broken, dust was all over him, and under his arm he carried a book. The emperor asked his minister, "Who is that man?" The minister looked with disrespect and said, "He belongs to a useless group, Your Majesty. They claim knowledge but have no value. He is just a Maulvi, a scholar with no future." Aurangzeb smiled calmly and replied, "If he is a true student of knowledge, then one day he will sell people like you in the market and you will not even realize it." The minister laughed and said, "Your Majesty, you are too kind. This is just blind belief." Aurangzeb said formally, "All right, test him." The guard was sent. The student was brought to the court. He stood there, torn clothes, dusty face, book under his arm, but his eyes were sharp, calm and confident. Aurangzeb said, "Ask him questions." The minister began asking tricky questions, not from books, not from lessons, but confusing questions. Just like today's interview to test intelligence. The minister asked, "Tell me, young man, how many balls of water are there in this pond?" The student did not panic. He smiled gently and said, "Sir, first decide the size of ball. If the pond is one ball big, then there is one ball of water. If the pond is half a ball, then there are two balls. If it is 1/4, then there are four balls. You choose the ball size and I will give you the answer." The emperor burst into laughter. The minister went silent. Then the minister tried again. "All right," he said, "tell me, where is the exact center of the earth?" The student calmly removed his turban. He measured the ground 4 steps this way, 4 steps that way. He placed a stick in the middle and said, "This is the center. If you doubt it, you may measure it yourself. If there is any mistake, then talk to me." The court was silent. Aurangzeb covered his face laughing and said, "Well done. You trapped the minister beautifully. He thought he would defeat you, but instead you defeated him." Then the emperor said, "Only a true student can speak like this. Intelligent, confident, and rich in wisdom, even if his pockets are empty. Never judge a person by clothes or position. Real power is not in wealth, it is in knowledge and intelligence." Thank you. Please like and share, subscribe.